name is Tina Mathur and I'm an assistant professor in Vianney Girls College. Today I would going to deliver a lecture on the topic net present value. So in this class we will take an example of net present value. In next class we have discussed about the concept of NPV, and in this class we are taking a numerical. So the question is giving like there are two machines A and B. Machine A cost 1 lakh rupees, which is paid immediately in the 0 year. In machine B, its cost is rupees 1,20,000, which is paid half payable immediately and half payable in next year. And the cash flow is giving of the A in the first year 20, second year 60, third year 40, 30 and 20 of respectively years. And the discount factor is given 7%. So we have to calculate NPV of the following question. So the formula for NPV is present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. So the present value of cash outflows, so computation of present value of cash outflows. So the year 01, the project A or machine A, the whole amount is paid immediately, that is in first year. The B, it is paid partially, means 1,20,000, half in 0 year and half is in the first year, that is next year. Discount factor is given, 0 it's 1 year, and for 1 year the discount factor at 7% is 0.935. So we are getting the cash outflow of A is 1 lakh and of B is 1,16,100. Let's calculate present value of cash inflows. So machine A and B, its cash inflows are given. So we will multiply the cash inflow with the PV factor. So we will get the present value of cash inflow of machine A and B. So like for the first year, the cash flow is 20,000. So we will multiply by 0.935. It's coming 18,700. For B machinery, there is no cash inflow. So we will take it blank. And for the second year, it's 60,000. So we will multiply it by 0.873. And it's coming 52,380. And for B, it's coming 52,380 because it is same. In third year, the cash flow of machine A is 40,000 and for B is 60,000. So we will multiply it by the third year PV factor, that is 0.816. So A it's coming 32,640 and for B 60,000 into 0.816, it's coming 48,960. For fourth year, the machine A, the cash inflow is 30,000. For B, it's 80,000. So we will multiply with the fourth year of PV factor at 7% and we will get 22,890 of machine A, and B, it's 61,040. And machine A, it's 20,000 of the fifth flow, the cash flow, and for B, it's blank. So we will multiply the cash inflow of fifth year, that is 20,000 into 0.713, and we are getting 14,260. So the total of A we are getting 1,40,870 and for B we are getting 1,62,380. So now we will calculate net present value. So for machine A, the present value of cash inflow is 1,40,870. We will subtract present value of cash outflow, that is 1 lakh. It is coming rupees 40,870. For machine B, the cash inflow is 1,62,380. The present value of cash inflow is 1,62,380 and present value of cash outflow is 1,16,000. So it's coming 46,280. So out of these two projects, we will select the project B because it has higher NPV. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website guruKPO.com.